Hello, my name is Melanie Cotta, and I'm one of the co-founders of Hue with Echo Panana. During our freshman year, we visited the Boston College Campus School. The school supports students ages 3 through 22 with complex medical needs. Many struggle with independent life skills, particularly those with low vision, such as cerebral visual impairment. Their low vision and restricted mobility prevented them from participating on laundry days. After learning about their difficulties with laundry, we created Hue, an assistive device that enables individuals with visual impairments to sort laundry by color. Over 23 million US adults aged 18 and older have an independent living disability and have difficulties doing errands alone. In this population, we estimate that over 1 million people have visual impairments and/or blindness, even with corrective glasses. Hue aims to make the task of laundry easier for these people when it comes to sorting clothes. Using affordable Arduino technology, Hue has both a visual and audio output that correlates with the coloring of the clothing. The user places the sensor on the article of clothing, presses a button or accessible switch attachment option, and Hue responds, stating the color and the temperature that the item should be washed at. Our current team consists of our student engineers and advisors, including the campus school assistive technology specialists who we've partnered with to make the design accessible. We have just finished building our second functional prototype, and we are looking to submit our prototype to the Student Design Challenge of RESNA, or the Rehabilitation Engineering and Assistive Technology Society of North America, in order to get more feedback on our design. Beyond that, we have hopes to widen our product's market. Approximately 18% of adults aged 16 and older suffer from visual impairment, causing a loss of independence and difficulty with daily life tasks. We're looking to expand Hue's market to include the elderly. While sorting laundry may not seem like a big deal, for the people who suffer with low vision, their struggle with laundry can have a big impact on their independence. With your support, we can improve their lives with our product. Even the little things can make a huge difference.